Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 3-in-1 portable car air pump. So we're gonna open this thing up and check it out, and I'll show you guys what it is and how it kind of works. I have a Tesla and a big RV. But let's see what this thing is and how it works. Just opening up all the pieces and parts here. I'm gonna get everything out of the bag, everything out of the box, I mean. So there's that. Comes with a little storage bag, a big storage bag for it. Comes with a bunch of different tips here. I guess these are gonna be for the different types of things that you blow up. So it looks like you could even blow up the Presta bike pumps. You could blow up just other devices and things, or just little air into stuff. We have our charging cable, which is going to charge through USB. Oh, this is the camera. USB to USB-C. So there's that. We have some instructions here, and we have our pump right here. So let's check this thing out. So it's kind of got a nice little feel to it. It's kind of cool. It's got a screen on the back right there. Let's peel off the little plastic, and I'll show you guys. Well, it doesn't even have, maybe it doesn't even have plastic. Oh, it has something on there. I'll mess with that later, but whatever. But here, I'll show you guys this. That doesn't matter. Sometimes people like those little satisfying peel, but whatever. So you've got your hose, which is a nice, decent sized hose. Sometimes those things are just ridiculously short. So we've got our nozzle will go in here. So we'll set this thing all up, and then we'll kind of try to give it a little bit of a try. Okay, so there, we have it in. We have our air filler. We have our power button. So right here it says it's set for 0, 0, 0 now. Let's see what we can do here. So we can set it to, well, there it's set for bar. Oh, it's got a light. Look at a little light in the front of it. That's good. So you can do it at night. We have PSI. So I can change my PSI to my car. What's it take? Like 42 or something like that, maybe? I wonder how high it'll go. I wonder if it probably can do my bike even at 100. We'll see. Oh, I'm way up too high for my car. If I want to pop the tire. So that you can set it like that. And then I'm gonna guess, push the button there to make it go. And I feel the air coming out. So it seems pretty good. And there you can see it's doing its thing. And now it's got 0 PSI. If I hold it, yeah, it's not closed. I try to close it. It went up to 43 and it stopped. So it automatically stops when it gets to pressure. So that is nice, and so it can do that. So I'm going to say this is nice, and it even shows you how much battery power you have. So I have a decent battery charge. We can charge it from the bottom, so that's how you will charge it up again. This one here, because it's just doing the pump and stuff for you, and the light, I don't think it's going to have the, like be able to use that battery to charge something else. Like sometimes these things do that, but this is nice and light. Let's see, we can charge a ball, a bicycle, motorcycle, car. We have our different modes, so you could choose the car, motorcycle, bicycle modes. Which one is that? That is the mode switch here. So yeah, so now I have it set on like bicycle mode. So you can just set it on different modes. So bicycle, you're gonna get a lot more PSI out of it than you would with a car. Let me see what else is there. You got the bag, we have the accessories, we have the buttons. We have all those different things here, and just some other instructions here. I'll hold this up so you guys can see it. If you need the instructions, you could probably pause it and zoom in or anything. There's that side. And here's some troubleshooting steps and things on the back, but pretty straightforward. I don't think I necessarily need to charge my car right now. The batteries, the tires are actually full, so it's not going to do me any good. But it seems pretty good, and it's got a nice thin one of these here, so it'll fit with my little hubcap stuff and everything like that. And then with all those other adapters, I'll be able to just fill up everything with air. So I like this. So thumbs up for me. I like it.